Hey everyone, it's Nancy and today I have July's Stitch Fix. We are going to see how my stylist did at giving me some more summer styles. That's what I asked for. My last one was a 5 for 5. It was awesome. I will be sure and link that down below, but for now, let's get into July's Stitch Fix. Well, it's been a Stitch Fix kind of month so far. If you saw last week's video, that was my sister doing a plus size Stitch Fix unboxing. I live in the Midwest, she lives in the Southwest. She used my coupon code or my link to order herself a Stitch Fix. She got $25 off of anything in her first box. I think she found 2 items, she told me, and I got a $25 credit with Stitch Fix as well. And I really appreciate that, because it helps me out with anything I might keep out of this box right here. And if you're familiar with Stitch Fix, you know this, and if you aren't, I will tell you, if you keep all 5 items that Stitch Fix sends you, you get a 25% discount off the entire box. What else do you need to know? If you use my link below, you also will save $25 off of your fix, and I will save $25 off of mine as well. Your $20 styling fee is applied back towards anything you keep as well. The Cliff Notes for Stitch Fix otherwise are in my description box down below, so be sure and check that out if you're interested in how Stitch Fix works. But I think most people know, so we're just going to move on. So let's get into our box, see what's going on here. Let's see. Oh, my outfit. Want to know what I'm wearing? The vest was from my last JB Style box. The top was from a Front Door Faction. It's a Michael Stars, and my jeans came from a Wantable, and my wedges, I think they were from Payless Shoe Source eons ago. I wear them with a lot of things. They just seem to work with much. Okay, so there is my prepaid envelope for returning anything I don't love and don't want to keep. Shipping both ways is free. However, if you don't keep at least $20 worth of things, you will worth of merchandise, of clothing, of pieces, you will lose your $20 styling fee. So everybody already knows that, right? And what was one other thing? I can't remember. If it comes to me, I'll tell you about it. Let's see. So in the envelope, this is my invoice. I'll look at that at the end so it doesn't influence my opinion of the clothes. I have my styling note and clothing ideas on my Oh Hello card. Won't read that to you. I always read that after I have unboxed. We have a little burrito with 4 items and a pair of shoes. I did keep the shoes in my style preview. With Stitch Fix, they will send you a preview before they ship your box out. You can pick up to 5 items from that preview to have put in your box as your 5 items. If you come out 5 items short, then the stylist will fill in the additional items with new things that weren't in your preview. So this is what we have. Now, I had asked for some summer color. This is looking kind of dark and muted to me, but we'll see how this goes. And there's a pair of shoes. I'm just going to go ahead and slip that right out, and we'll take a look at the items. Let's see. First up, we have looks like a skirt. It's a blue skirt. This is a maxi skirt. It's just solid. It has this wide waistband. Is that a yoga waistband is what that's called? It's by Markin and Spruce. Not sure how I feel about that. These tend to make my hips look wide, but we'll see. It's a cute skirt. I think on the right people they look good, but I think on us hippie gals sometimes those aren't the best. But it's a nice solid dark color, so that might be helpful. Oh, this is a cute little dress. It looks like a mini dress though. I don't do mini dresses. It's just, especially this style, I just think this is too young for me in the way of being a little bit too immature. I think if you're 30 and under, this is awesome, but on me at 56, it might look silly. Maybe there's some people in their 40s that can pull it off, but I don't think I can, but we'll see. Then we have a green wrap style top with a band at the bottom and a little tie at the side. I'm glad the tie is at the side and not in the front. Sometimes the ties in the front make me crazy. I don't like them. Sometimes they're situated funny. Do you know what I'm talking about? They just sit oddly. Oh, this is cute. This is like a little very lightweight sweater. This is by La Serene Don't know if I've ever seen that brand before. Wondering what size are you? You're a medium. Might be a little small. Had been wearing medium. I switched to large. I found they're a little more comfortable. I do like the feel of this. I'm saying sweater, but maybe it's more of a substantial t-shirt. And it does have a sweater knit ribbing here at the neck. So we'll see how that works out. I'm not seeing what's supposed to match with that skirt. And then lastly, let's see the shoes. Oh, I know what these are because these are the only thing I requested. They're a little pair of sandals with a knot. I've been looking at those. That's just as what comes around the buckle to protect it in transit. It has a little tortoise shell buckle there. And then it has the little knot on the front. We'll see how I feel about those when I try them on. Alrighty, we'll be back in just a second with a try on. Let's face it, I look like a cream puff. So much ruching. Oh my goodness. I mean, it's a good ruching around here, but it just adds to the whole cream puffness of the dress. It's frothy and fluffy, and I feel just a little bit like a milkshake, and I also feel just a little bit like a milkmaid with the bodice. Something about it feels milkmaid-ish to me. If I pull it down any further, you'll actually see the top of my bra here, but it's definitely does good things for my bosom. The sleeves are gauze and they're fluffy, and I like that. They're elasticized. It is a little lined skirt here. Very cute. I don't think it's indecently short. There's just something about it on me that it feels too young. I'm 56. I want to look like a good 56. I don't want to dress old, but I do want to dress appropriate, and I feel like we're pushing the limits with this one a little bit. It's cute. I love white. If I was even probably 10 years younger, I would be considering this, but for me personally, like I said, I would just never reach for it. Let me show you the back. I think this one's going to be a no. Although for you, they may be a yes, and it may be a yes, and I will leave the names of all of these down below here so you can, in the description box, so you can either ask your stylist for them or just go check them out for yourself. And if I can, I will also leave links to the items on Stitch Fix. The shoes are cute and they're comfortable, the little sandals. I might have a similar pair from Stitch Fix upstairs. I can't remember. I think this is the one item that I did keep from my preview. And I like them with a little knot. I'm finding that I like either fabric or stretchy things across the toes better because they tend to expand with my foot better and I just get a better fit. It feels comfortable. I just need to check out my actual need for them, but those are good. Okay, I'm gonna be back with something else. I'm gonna find something else to show you. For those of you who are wondering where Ruger is, both Sam and I tried to get him to come in and hang with me during this video. If you're new here, Ruger is my dog. He is a boxer pit bull mix. His niece, the German Shepherd, is here and he loves her. They're really good doggy friends, and so he just decided that he would rather hang out with her than me this evening, and that's okay. We'll do fine without him. Okay, they gave me a different stylist than I had last time, and I'm a little bit confused by that because the last one, as I said, I kept all 5 pieces. She's really starting to get me with each fix. I think that was my 3rd or 4th fix with her. It was getting closer and closer to being super good, and it finally was, and then I get an entirely new stylist. I don't understand that. I know Stitch Fix has a quick turnaround with stylists a lot of times, and maybe she's no longer employed by them, but I hope she is because she did such a good job. This stylist name was Joe. Joe, no hard feelings if you're watching this. We're just getting to know each other. But she did select this outfit, and she said that this maxi skirt could be worn with a striped top and a denim jacket, or it could be worn with this cute surplice top. I would agree with her that the surplice top is cute. The skirt, however, looks very LuLaRoe to me. I'm sure everyone remembers the LuLaRoe days. Back about 7 or 8 years ago, LuLaRoe was a really big thing. I owned a lot of it because my best friend, hey Ann, was a LuLaRoe representative. Can't remember who the maxi skirt was named after, but it looked just like this. And I had a couple of them. And I just feel like this looks a little bit, 20 teens. There's nothing special about it. It has that yoga type waist that you can either fold down or leave up, which I've done so it won't compete with the band on the shirt. Just a plain navy blue navy blue maxi skirt. Nothing special about it, and certainly nothing I need in my closet right now. I got rid of the ones I had just like this. Okay, so let's move on to the surprise top. This is a really cute top. It's very comfortable, very stretchy. This olive green color is lovely. I like it. I just don't like it the most on me. I think I've had enough olive green already. I'm just kind of over it. And I had asked for bright, light summer fashions. And other than the white dress, I really don't see light clothing in this fix. It has a little side tie. Again, I appreciate that because when they're tied in the front, sometimes they're very unfortunately placed. It's cute. I'll get a look at the footage. I think it would look better with jeans though. And I'm still wearing the sandals. Okay, we will be back with one more top. Last item up is this crew neck sweatery t-shirt. When I first feel it, it feels like a sweater, but then when I keep feeling it, it feels like a really soft, substantial t-shirt. I'm very confused by this garment. Like I said, when I was taking it out of the box, it does have a ribbed sweater material neckline here. Does it have it at the, nope, it's just a plain finished hem on the sleeves. I'm holding my microphone because when I put it up this high on my neck, it makes the sound all goofy and it's not a pleasant listening experience for you, my viewers. I do think the size is good though. I was concerned that a medium was going to be too small. I think this was a medium. I'll check when we do our wrap up. Let me show you the back. It's a fine shirt. I just don't know that it's really doing a whole lot for me, and I'm not sure how much I need it right now. Like I said, I'm not needing anything at this point. I did this fix for you guys so you could see, you know, what Stitch Fix is offering this month. So I'm not sure that I'll hang on to this one either, but I am interested in the price on it. So let's get into a wrap up now. This fix confused me just a little bit. It kind of felt fall-like with these three pieces. I had asked for bright, breezy, summery. Now I will say the dress she put in filled the bill on that. And the sandals that I picked from the preview felt like that. But even the other items in the preview, they all felt like they were headed towards fall. So I'm a little bit confused, but it's okay. If I don't keep anything, it won't break my heart. I have the Style Pass. If you have not heard of that, it's $49 a year. You get unlimited fixes with no styling fee, and that $49 is credited back towards anything that you do keep. They usually offer it to you. It's not something you can apply for. They offer it to you about a dozen or so fixes in. And I'm really grateful that I have it because it allows me to continue bringing fixes on a regular basis. Alrighty, let's look at prices. Let me try and do this without my glasses if I can because I get such a glare from the ring light, and I apologize to you if that happens. Real quick, squish the like button for me. That helps the video so much. Thanks a bunch. I really do appreciate it. And be sure and comment down below because I love hearing from you guys and I love hearing what you think about the clothes and also what's going on in your lives. I've enjoyed getting to know you guys. Okay, so first up we have the Market and Spruce Joven Maxi Skirt in navy, size large, $48. This is a really good price. I was going to try and do that without glasses, wasn't I? This is a really good price on this skirt. Again, it felt a little bit dated to me and nothing that I would reach for, so that's certainly going back. Then we have the 9 Britain Lana puff sleeve crepe dress in white, size large. This is only $58. That's a really good price on this little dress. On someone younger than me or who's just not me, I think this would look great, but on me, I felt like a cream puff slash milkshake slash milkmaid. So that one's probably going to go back too. Then we've got the Colette Janessa short sleeve surplice knit top in olive size medium. This is only $36. That's a really good price. This is a cute top, and in the fall maybe I would have jumped on it. Just not feeling it right now, and at this point I have so much in my wardrobe that unless something really makes me super happy and thrilled and say yay, then I'm probably not going to keep it. So I'm likely going to send this one back too. Then lastly we had the Lace Serene Norman short sleeve knit top in black size medium. This one's only $40. That's a good price on this. I did look at the fabric content because I wondered if it had some silk in it, but it is 96% rayon, no, 94% rayon and 6% spandex. Really nice high-end feel to it. Obviously, I don't know anything about the brand Lace Serene, but this feels really good. I would be interested in receiving more lacerine pieces. Then the sandals are Mia Adeline fabric knot sandal, off-white, size 11, $49.50. I am going to go up and take a look at my sandal wardrobe and see if this is kind of a repeat a little bit. If it is, I probably won't be keeping it, but I may hang on to these just because they would match so much and they are comfortable. Again, my sister had used my referral link, so I have a little bit of credit with them, which would cut the price of those sandals down in half. So I'll take a look and decide what I think about it. So we have, for our total for the whole box, $231.50. The buy all discounted 25% is $57.88, which brings the order subtotal down to $173.62. If you paid a $20 styling fee, that would credit back, so your subtotal at checkout would be $153.62. I think they add in tax as well. Just look at that, check into that for yourself. That is my fix for the month of July. Again, please let me know what you think. Comment down in the comments. And if you subscribe, I will see you on the next video. By the way, that'll probably be a couple weeks from now. We have a trend send coming in that I'm going to record for you, and Sam will take time out from his studies to try and get that one edited, and we'll get it out in a couple of weeks. And then we'll see how the timing of videos goes just based on what's happening in life. But we'll definitely be seeing you in the future. Bye-bye and be blessed. I have probably been trying to do this wrap up for an hour. It's getting frustrating. And I thought I finally had it, and then I realized I didn't record. So let's see if I can finally get it. It's just, I keep missing things I want to say. All right, let's go. Let's try. Roll them.